we were raising our kids and speaking Yiddish with them. My father, every once in a while, would lapse in and try to say something in Yiddish, and so the kids wouldn't understand. And we'd look at him and say, "Dad, they understand Yiddish." And he would switch to Russian, which none of us could speak except him. But that's what are you going to do? As best as we could, we knew we were going to raise the kids with Yiddishkeit. The step farther to go to Yiddish wasn't a hard decision. So to me, there's no separation. And it becomes not a question of, it would be more surprising to speak Yiddish with our kids if it was merely a question of nostalgia, that we don't want the language to go away, which we don't. But it's also a question of moral compass. Where do you start from? Where do you make decisions? How do you make decisions? Where does the culture come from? Where do your ideals come from? And to me, there's no separation. So as we were thinking about raising a family, and as we were, even before, as we were getting involved in the workman circle, it was because without that kind of culture around us, without that, who are we?